Chris Moore. I'm the instructor for the Bakery and Pastry program at the Lorain County JVS. So in the junior year, they work on the basics of bakery and pastry arts. They learn the science behind baking and the math, measurements, things of that nature. Safety and sanitation is also included. And then they work on the foundational skills of baking, learning mixing methods, learning how to bake different basic desserts, tarts, muffins, pies, brownies, cookies, fresh breads, things like that. And in the senior year, they work on the foundational skills that they learned in their junior year, and we add in more complex. We start working on European torts, we work on ice creams and sorbets, we work on making wedding cakes, we work on making chocolate sculptures. So it's a little bit more advanced in the senior year, leading to teaching them how to be a professional in this business. Opportunities for the students once they graduate. They can work as a cake decorator, they can work as a pastry apprentice or a pastry cook. They also have some basic culinary skills. They can work at some restaurants and hotels, doing dual roles in the pastry and in the culinary end. Post-secondary opportunities would include many of the colleges locally would be LCC, that would be more culinary focused, but they will still get a good experience there as they have some baking opportunities at that school. Students can also go to Sullivan University, which is in Kentucky. We've had a number of graduates that have gone through there. One recent graduate is now working at Mohonk Resort in New York, upstate New York. Beautiful facility. They can also go to the Culinary Institute of America. We have one senior that's currently applied to Culinary Institute of America. Johnson & Wales has numerous campuses. And there's also, of course, many other schools post-secondary that they can go to. It's highly encouraged. What they learn here is excellent. It gives them a great foundation, but the post-secondary experience is what really helps them transform their career into becoming that finished or good foundation of being a finished professional.
My name is Nicole Von Segrin. I'm a senior in the Lorain County JVS Baking and Pastry program. I decided from baking and pastry because I shattered my sophomore year and I just fell in love with the program. Working at Kendall, right now, since the whole quarantine thing, we're delivering the meals to the residents. We package up the meals, simple requests that they want, and I also work at Panera. I have 2 jobs. The competition I was in was cake decorating last year, where you have to bake and decorate a cake in an hour, and then I was also in a competition involving another person in making a business plan. So we created a bakery, hypothetical bakery, and we had to decide menus, business plan, how we're going to pay for it, and everything. To try to absorb all the information I can before I go to college, because I know I'm going to relearn, but it'll be easier if I can absorb it now. And eventually I hope to become a pastry chef.